I'm embracing my era of upcycling, doing something that is a bit more unique and versatile and different. In order to prevail, one is usually different and does things a bit differently than others. So I embrace that as well. What I still like to do to this day is to clone my existing clothes. And they're a good starting point when you're just getting into upcycling and designing, creating your own custom clothing, apparel, accessories, whatever they may be. And I wanted to walk you all through this with me. So when you look at your garments and apparel at home and what you have to work with, you can hopefully begin to visualize things for yourself. I do things differently. Prevail is unique. I am unique. It's just part of the brand of Prevail Lifestyle Brand, the Resilient Lifestyle Brand. Thank you. So like I said, I wanted to show you all before I did this, before I made any cuts or anything, just like the visualization aspect and how valuable having vision, being visionary, having a visionary approach, how beneficial and rewarding it can actually be. Even if it's something that you've not seen anyone else do before, why not try it? Visualize the potential in those apparel and garment items as to how you can transform them into something completely new and give them essentially a new life. And to think I was actually going to just chuck this aside and say, oh no, I can't use this because it's got the curved scalloped hem. It's not going to work for that hat that I'm trying to prototype. But lo and behold, it actually does. I just had to visualize it, and there it is.